Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and very good morning to you all. Today I'll teach you SST of class 2 and we will revise our unit 8 and lesson 14 which is weather. Okay. आप लोगों ने weather के बारे में पढ़ा था. I have told you about the weather in my last online classes and as well I told you about the weather in our daily classes. So today I revise it again for you people. आप लोगों को weather का मैं बता रही हूँ कि weather क्या होता है. Weather जो होता है वो day to day condition होती है. हीट की, कोल्ड की, ड्राइनेस और रेन किसी भी प्लेस में इन तमाम चीज़ों की डे टू डे कंडीशन जो होता है वो वेदर होता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल लेट आई गिव यू एन एग्ज़ाम्पल. yesterday was a rainy day. You have noticed that yesterday was a rainy day, but today there is no rain. So today is a cloudy weather, and tomorrow maybe there will be no cloud, there would be no rain, so it would be sunny. So you have seen that in 3 days we have there are changes in the weather. For yesterday was rainy, जो कल rainy day था, today is cloudy, आज cloudy day है, and maybe tomorrow will be sunny, a day after tomorrow will be sunny. Okay. So you have noticed that weather has been changed. Weather changes day to day. Got it? उसके बाद आता है हमारे पास rainbow. That what is rainbow? Have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes, you have seen a lot of time. So how rainbow appear on the sky? So let me read. When the clouds are dark and it rains a lot, there is sometimes lightning and thunder. Sometimes we see a rainbow. Okay, when the sun comes out during a rain shower, a rainbow is beautiful. Rainbow कब appear होता है? जब sun निकल आता है, rain shower जब हो रहा हो, जब हल्की हल्की rain हो रही हो और एकदम से sun appear हो जाए, sun आ जाए, sun come out हो जाए, तो that's at that time rainbows appear on the sky. Got it? Okay, here are some words you can use when you talk about the weather: snow, clouds, wind and sunshine. Okay, now what is the season? It is very easy and we have learned about the season from our earlier classes. So there are only 4 seasons in our Pakistan, which is spring, summer, autumn and the last one is winter. Okay, we have only one season. Okay, what is the difference between weather and season? Weather is the day to day condition and day to day आप देखोगे weather change हो रहा है, but season remain constant for the 6 months or the 4 months. Okay, so we have only 4 weathers in our whole year, but we have a lot of weathers for our whole year. Sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's windy, sometimes it's snowy. So got it? Okay, now we are going to learn our question answer of weather. Okay, so our first question is, which is question number 1. Have you ever seen a rainbow? What are the colors in rainbow? Yes, I have seen a rainbow. Yes, I have seen a rainbow. What is the answer? Have you ever seen a rainbow? What you will write? Yes, and then you will put a comma. I have seen a rainbow. The colors are red, green, orange, yellow, blue, violet, indigo. Okay, now read with me. Yes, I have seen a rainbow. The colors are red, green, orange, yellow, blue, violet, indigo. Got it? Okay. Now our question number 2 is, what season is it now? What season is it now? It is spring season now. It is spring season now. Okay, you have write down in your copies that it is winter season now. So now we have not a winter season. Okay, winter has been passed. Winter जो है वो गुजर चुका है. Now it's a spring. Okay, so you will write spring. Its spellings are SPRING. Okay, now if you have this question in summer, so what you will write? What season is it now? It is summer season now. Okay, if you have this question in autumn, so what you will write? What season is it now? It is autumn season now. Okay. Question number 3 is, does snow fall where you live? No, there is no snowfall where I live. Got it? Now we have true and false. When the clouds are dark, it rains a lot. When the clouds are dark, it rains a lot. So, जब क्लाउड जो हैं वो डार्क होते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. तो इट इज़ ट्रू. व्हेन द क्लाउड्स आर डार्क इट रेन्स अ लॉट. जब बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क क्लाउड होते हैं तो बहुत तेज़ बारिश होती है. द कोल्डेस्ट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर इज कॉल्ड समर. क्या साल का सबसे कोल्डेस्ट टाइम समर होता है? नो, इट्स फॉल्स. दैट कोल्डेस्ट टाइम इज कॉल्ड विंटर. गॉट इट? So the coldest time of the year is called summer, so it is false. Okay, now our third one is, we see a rainbow when the sun comes out during a rain shower. जब हम रेनबो को देख सकते हैं जब सन निकल आता है during a rain shower, तो it is true. उस टाइम हम रेनबो को देख सकते हैं जब रेन शावर हो रहा होता है. जब रेन शावर होता है और सन निकल आता है, एट दैट टाइम रेनबो अपीयर्स ऑन द स्काई. ओके, द फोर्थ वन इज, देयर आर 3 सीजन इन अ ईयर. देयर आर 3 सीजन इन अ ईयर? नो, देयर आर 4 सीजन इन अ ईयर, सो इट इज false. Got it? There are 3 seasons in a year, so it is false. Okay. In spring season, new leaves appear on plants. Yes, it's true. In spring season, new leaves appear on plants.